I went by your house, what a big mistake. But for a while I thought that I wouldn't break.
Hey peeps, welcome back. Thanks for watching. Please excuse the attempted trying to walk backwards while zooming out. There's a technique with that, and I think I also need some extra equipment, so it's not really working. So today's salad, we're doing beans from the garden. If you want to know how to grow beans, put a link down below, or put a question down below. I'm happy to comment on that. It is the easiest thing to grow. Basically, green beans, cucumber, red pepper, a chili from the garden. These are all going to be sort of cooked up, and that's all going to go on some baby gem lettuce heads and some mixed salad greens. On top, vintage cheddar. Should be delicious. Let's get to it. Cheers.
Feel like a